Hi, I'm Nancy Vigne, and I'm Dean of the Rutgers School of Criminal Justice. One thing that's really special about the School of Criminal Justice is that we're an entire school dedicated to criminal justice. We were founded by the state legislature at a time where crime was very high. They decided one way to tackle the issue was to build more knowledge. We have a responsibility not just to serve the students who come here, but to serve the community in which we're housed. All the students are drawn to this discipline because they want to make a difference. Some of them aspire to work within the criminal justice system, while others are interested in working in nonprofits, advocacy organizations, and community-based organizations. Our faculty really take the time in the classroom to ground the lessons in real-world examples and to challenge students how to understand how all the different facets of the criminal justice system interact. We believe that education should build pathways to opportunity. Our students leave here prepared to take on a variety of roles in the field of safety and justice. Congratulations, graduates.